Okay, right. So the two important characteristics are mobility and accessibility. So it should be
Mobility.
accessible to the people, whether it's enterprise or whether it's the consumer or customer, right? And mobility
Yeah.
means wherever you are, whether you are in Asia, you are in Europe, whether you are any part of the country. So there should be mobility should be easier over there. And inside these mobility and accessibility, there are like five different characteristics like ubiquity, localization, connectivity, personalization, and convenience.
Yes, for personalization, provision of contents that are tailored to the user, characterized based on the information or data. Personalized customer service, access customer location, personalized information search, convenience, access businesses anytime without any limitation, handling their business through their mobile service during a business trip while moving. Characterized of mobile business, few issues requiring caution. A mobile business user may feel inconvenience if they must read a large document or need to type a long web address. Mobile business customer tend to spend more time on the specific website and to refrain from visiting several sites. Information such as stock price and sales price must be updated continuously.